Hey everyone, Dr. Bart here, and today I'm going to show you 3 really simple shoulder stretches to help you create just a really healthy environment for your shoulders. As a chiropractor, just about every day I see someone that comes in with either shoulder pain or neck pain or a little bit of both, and oftentimes it even goes down into their hands or into their fingers, or they have numbness or tingling or maybe even a weak sensation that's going on in that area. And a lot of it stems from the health that your shoulders do or don't have, or really the posture that they have. So for a lot of people, as a result of either sleeping on their side or driving in a car, or for the most, it's about sitting at their desk all day long. The shoulders start to roll forward like that. It starts to create problems up in here with the way that the nerve flow and the blood flow goes into your arms and hands. So today I'm going to show you 3 easy stretches to help you alleviate some of that. And this is something we can do every single day. For even your acute pain, but also for long-term, just general good health shoulder. And as you can see, I'm just sitting here in my kitchen, so you can do this anywhere. You don't necessarily have to go to the gym to do it. All right, so the first stretch you're going to do is real simple. You're going to put your arm straight out in front of you and keep it straight, and you're going to bring it across the front of your body. And I'm going to use my other hand. I'm going to go behind my elbow here. I'm going to hug it into my body, nice and tight here. I'm putting a stretch on the outside of my shoulder, which starts to stretch not only shoulder muscles and the rotator cuff muscles, but also even a little bit of the lat muscle. Once I have that, pin into the body, and I keep this nice and straight. We're about shoulder or pec height here. And then I'm going to rotate away ever so slightly. And this brings a little bit more stretch into the lat muscle. So I do it to one side, and of course I'm going to do it to the other side again. Arms straight, grab up behind the elbow or even as far as the tricep, hug it into the body, and then rotate away, creating a nice big stretch, not only for the rotator and shoulder muscles, but also your lat muscle, which is the big muscle down here. The second stretch, just as easy. We just stick one arm straight up in the air, and you're going to let it bend behind you. And then with my other hand, I'm going to go up behind, I'm going to grab the elbow, and I'm going to bring it behind my head the best that I can. And of course, if you notice that I'm still breathing, okay? I don't want you to hold your breath and force anything. And then all you're going to do is bring the elbow behind the head a little bit and create a stretch. And just like the other one, once we've got that there comfortably, we're going to bend off to the side, creating even a bigger stretch along the side body here, stretching out that lat muscle even more. And once I'm here, I got my hands up here already, then real simply what I'm going to do is I'm going to reach, I'm just going to switch them, grab the other elbow, bring it behind the head, and tip off to the other side. And notice a couple things here. I'm not pushing my head forward. If you need to push your head forward, then it's probably a little too far for you. And just let your elbow hang out here and let the stretch go from there, and you can still bend. So we want to avoid pushing the head forward. The third one, a little bit different here. All we're going to do is we're going to bring our hands behind our back. We're going to clasp them like this. And then once I have them here, I'm going to bring my shoulder blades, which are these guys right here. I'm going to squeeze these together, pulling those muscles together. Then I'm going to drop my hands down toward the floor, creating a space between my ear and my shoulders here. And then once I'm there, nice and easy, I'm going to raise my chin up and create a little bit of a stretch on the front side. From the front, it looks like this. My hands go behind my back. I drop my shoulders away from my ears. And then nice and easily, I raise my chin so I can feel a nice stretch here and really opening up the pec muscles on the front here. So all 3 real quick here. One in front of the body, big stretch with a twist. To the other side, a big stretch with a twist. Hand directly up in the air behind my head. I pull the elbow, bend off to the opposite side. I switch them up, bend off to the opposite side. Hands behind the back. I'll drop the shoulders down away from the ears, squeezing from my scapulas back there, a little muscle called your rhomboids, and slowly I'll pick my chin up. All right. Hopefully this helps you out a little bit, create a little bit healthier, happier shoulders. We're looking for some good posture here. Do this on a regular basis, and you'll have some good, healthy shoulders. Hope that helps you out in your day today. Go enjoy the afternoon.